Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to mark a group as read on the WhatsApp PC app. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to keep your conversations organized. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next up, find the group you want to mark as read. Take a moment to scroll through your chats until you locate the specific group. It's usually easy to spot, but if you have a lot of conversations, use the search bar at the top to type in the group's name. Now that you've found the group, it's time to take action. Simply right-click on the group chat. This will open a context menu with various options related to that group. From the menu, look for the option that says Mark as Read. Click on it, and just like that, the group chat will be marked as read, clearing it from your unread notifications. And there you have it. Just 4 simple steps to keep your WhatsApp organized on your PC. Remember, maintaining a tidy chat list can help you focus on what's important without getting overwhelmed by unread messages. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your WhatsApp experience. Happy chatting!